All right, our next fave is so cool. This is such great, very ingenious technology. This is the Ring Video Doorbell. It has two-way talk and motion detection. So here's what this is. You install it as your doorbell. Somebody rings the doorbell, and from your device, your tablet or your phone, you know that they rang the doorbell. But you don't just know that someone's at your house, you get to talk to them. You can talk to them from your phone as if you were in the house. Imagine that, because you know the bad guys come. They're always scouting out the house to see if anybody's home. They're looking around. But here's the thing, they don't always ring the doorbell if they're a bad guy or girl, if they're a no-good-nick, up to no good. They might just sort of be skulking around the front of the house. This has a motion detector. It has a motion detector, and it lets you know when someone is there. It alerts your phone, it alerts your tablet, and you get to talk to them. Hello, yes, may I help you? They're like, oh, someone's in here. No, I guess I was at the wrong house. Or yes, I have a package to deliver. Go ahead and leave it right there on the porch. Whatever it is, you could be anywhere, whether you're in your house and you just can't get down to answer the door, or you could be anywhere in the country and you know someone is at your house. You can see that motion detection, and then you get to talk to them. Look at that. I love it. It looks like somebody was walking their dog and letting their dog go on her lawn. She was able to talk to him and say, don't let your dog go on my lawn. And they're like, what? Oh, gotta go, gotta go. So save your lawn. Wow, worth it just to save your lawn. It's $39 to get it home. We've got all these different colors available. We have the brass, we have bronze, we have nickel or polished brass, and you're just gonna add that to the front of your door. It's a really sleek, gorgeous design, but this is the latest and greatest in technology. This is a huge customer pick, because it really, it gives you that security without you having to be there. You don't have to pay a monitoring service. It's the motion detector. So here's how it's gonna look on your iPad. You're just gonna download that app. It's gonna look like this. Can you see it? And we're gonna show you what it looks like. Oh, someone's at the, upside down. Someone's at the door. Ah, hi. And now I'm gonna talk to him. Hey, welcome. Good to see you. Glad you're visiting. I'm not actually here at home right now. I'm just talking to you. Okay, thank you, Eric. Okay, so your house might be, you might be further away from your door than I am from my door right there. But I could be across the country right now, and he thinks I'm in my house, right? He thinks that I can see him. But you also can see if anybody is at your door. You can see if they're up to no good. You can see if they're supposed to be there. You can tell them you're home. You can tell them to leave. You can tell them anything. It gives you that security knowing that you know if anyone is moving around your home. It will let you know if somebody rings the doorbell, you get to talk to them. But if they're just moving around there, it detects that motion. So it's like someone is always home. You saw that beautiful big wide angle HD screen. So it's got smart motion detection. It even has cloud recording, and that's important because if you need to show somebody later that this is the guy that was, skulking around the neighborhood, you've got that to be able to show the authorities. And then, you know what, if someone is making a delivery, if you've ever gotten that pink slip that says you weren't here, you have to go pick it up at the post office, oh my goodness, waiting in line, never have to worry about waiting in line because you can tell them as if you were there, yeah, just leave it on the doorstep. Yes, I accept that package. Go ahead and leave it there. That's fine. Even if you're not there, then you don't have to worry about getting that slip. It also provides that security because you know when someone is around the front of your house, and then you get to talk to them. They think there's someone in the house. They're not gonna come in and do their, try to steal your, giant TV or something if they believe that you are in the house. So anywhere you are, you get to monitor it. You get to monitor and know when someone is around your house. It's got everything you need to be able to install it easily and safely. It's got those built-in motion detectors, which is really important because somebody doesn't have to actually ring the doorbell in order for you to know that they're there. And you've got that peace of mind knowing, oh, there she is. She's right there, and she rang the doorbell, and now he's talking to her on his phone. He's talking to her, him. He's talking to the person outside his door. I can't see on the monitor very well. Now look at, oh, you missed the other one. That other guy, I know that was a guy. He was up to no good. You could tell he was up to no good. And they would be able to say, go away, or whatever they want. Beautiful presentation at 8 p.m. tonight. That's on Adam's show, and Adam always